Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you how to preserve fresh peaches, how to freeze and enjoy fresh peaches all year long. I just pick fresh peaches from my trees and I like to enjoy them all year long. So the best idea to preserve peaches is freezing. Now today frozen peaches, I need 8 peaches, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or cane sugar and 1 plastic bag Ziploc. This is the plastic bag you can use in the freezer. And let's get cooking. I pour fresh water and the stove is on high heat. First I have to boil the water for the peaches. The water is boiling. I will boil just for about 15 seconds, very short period. After the 15 seconds, I'm removing peaches with little strainer to stop the process. I put in a cold water with ice. The peach, I will cut the cross to remove the skin. It's pretty simple to remove skin. And I will continue to remove skins from the rest of peaches. Next step, I will cut slices like this. So happy we have peaches this year. We didn't harvest last year, so this year was pretty good. And we can enjoy peaches even in winter time. I freeze this way peaches last time and we enjoy so much. The peaches didn't lose any color, or they have same flavor. Next step, I will transfer peaches to the bowl. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The reason I use the lemon juice to slow down the oxidation. The peach, when it's exposed to air, will darken. So to stop this process, we have to use a lemon juice. Just combine everything. Lots of juice from the peaches. Let it stay for a little bit and I will transfer to the bag and I will freeze. The last step, I will transfer peaches to the bag. Look at this, is so much juice. I didn't add any water. Perfect. Just close the bag. Try to remove the air from the bag. Flat. And now I can freeze it and enjoy in winter time anytime. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.